Everyone talks about crypto like it's a golden ticket, but most people jump in blind and lose money. What if I told you there's a smarter way to start? Crypto trading isn't about luck, it's about strategy. The truth is, a little knowledge can save you thousands. Today, I'll show you exactly how to invest in crypto the smart way. Crypto is exciting because it's new, fast, and global. People see millionaires being made overnight and want the same. But here's the catch. Without a plan, you're more likely to lose than win. The hype blinds beginners into chasing quick profits. That's why we need to slow down and understand the game. So where do you even start? Should you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some random coin your friend mentioned? The choices feel endless and confusing. One wrong move and your money disappears. That's why step 1 is choosing the right foundation. Bitcoin is like digital gold, the first and strongest. Ethereum is the backbone for smart contracts and apps. These two are considered the safest entry points for beginners. They're not risk-free, but they're less likely to vanish overnight. That's why most smart investors start here. After Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll see thousands of altcoins. Some promise insane profits in days. But here's the danger. Most are hype-driven and collapse fast. Yes, you might hit a jackpot, but the odds are slim. The smart play is learning how to separate gems from scams. Before you buy anything, you need a safe place to store it. A crypto wallet works like your personal bank. There are hot wallets, which are online, and cold wallets, which are offline and safer. Hackers love beginners who skip this step. Without a wallet plan, your coins are at risk. Next comes the exchange where you buy crypto. Think of it like the stock market, but digital. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are popular, but not all exchanges are trustworthy. If you choose wrong, your money could get trapped or stolen. Now here's where beginners mess up. They dump in all their savings on day one. Big mistake. The rule is simple. Start small, test the waters, and learn. You wouldn't jump into the deep end without swimming lessons, right? One of the smartest strategies is dollar cost averaging. That means investing small amounts regularly instead of all at once. It smooths out market ups and downs. You don't need to guess the perfect time. Over time, this steady habit beats risky bets. Crypto prices jump up and down like a roller coaster, but those moves aren't random. News, regulations, and big investors push prices. If you watch patterns and headlines, you'll start seeing clues. The more you read the market, the less scary it feels. Fear of missing out is the biggest wealth killer. You see a coin pumping and rush to buy, but usually you're late. By the time you jump in, insiders are already cashing out. This trap empties wallets fast. Patience is your strongest weapon here. Many beginners forget to sell. They wait forever, thinking the price will keep rising. But markets move in cycles. If you don't lock in profits, you can watch them vanish. Knowing when to exit is as important as knowing when to enter. Putting all your money in one coin is dangerous. What if that project fails tomorrow? Smart investors spread across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few quality altcoins. Diversification lowers your risk. It's like having multiple safety nets. Some platforms let you borrow money to trade bigger. Sounds tempting, right? But leverage can wipe you out faster than you imagine. A small market dip could erase your account. If you're new, avoid leverage completely. Crypto will test your emotions daily. One day you're rich, the next you feel broke. Beginners panic, sell, or buy too fast. Emotions kill more accounts than bad coins. Controlling your mindset is part of the game. Ask yourself, why are you investing in crypto? Do you want long-term growth or quick flips? Clear goals guide your decisions. Without them, you'll trade blindly. A written plan keeps you disciplined when markets get wild. Sadly, scams are everywhere in crypto. Fake coins, rug pulls, phishing links, you name it. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Research every project before investing. Your money is your responsibility, not the market's. Whales are big players with millions in crypto. Their moves often shift the entire market. By tracking their wallets and trades, you can spot trends early, but don't blindly copy them. Use their actions as signals, not orders. Crypto is more volatile than stocks or real estate. Prices can swing 20% in a single day. That's scary, but it also means big opportunities. Volatility is both the risk and the reward. The trick is to survive the swings without panic. Every headline can move crypto. A government ban, a company buying Bitcoin, or even a celebrity tweet. It all matters. Staying updated is non-negotiable. The earlier you know, the better your decisions. News is the heartbeat of crypto. Some people hold crypto for years and win big. Others trade daily to grab quick profits. Which is better? That depends on your style and patience. But remember, most beginners lose money trying to trade too much. Crypto communities are massive online. Forums, Twitter, and Discord are full of insights. But not all advice is good advice. Learn to filter noise from knowledge. The right community can sharpen your skills fast. Never forget security. Use two-factor authentication, strong passwords, and avoid shady apps. Hackers love careless traders. One mistake can drain your wallet forever. Protect your digital gold like your life savings. Don't chase millions right away. Celebrate small gains and steady growth. Each win builds your confidence and skill. Over time, these small steps turn into big wealth. Slow Slow and steady beats reckless gambling. Crypto trading is risky, but it's also full of opportunity. With knowledge, patience, and discipline, you can grow your money safely. The secret is to play the long game, not the hype game. Learn, test, and improve every day. That's how smart investors win in crypto. Thanks for watching this guide on how to invest in crypto trading. If you enjoyed it, check out my next video on the best side hustles to grow your income. More streams of money mean more power to invest. Don't stop here. Keep learning and growing. Click on the playlist and I'll see you in the next video.